Hey guys, friend of mine is picking me up right now, and three of us we're driving up to Nagano, which is a venue for the trail running race. So yeah, let's go.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. Well, we're all
So I just ate dinner at 5 and just took a shower, and now it's about almost 7, and we're gonna get ready for tomorrow because we're gonna probably wake up at 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning, I don't know, but it's early, so yeah, we're gonna get ready for tomorrow and yeah, go to bed maybe before 8. So yeah, I'll guess see you tomorrow.
옥시노というのは、このトン、3、2、1、スタート。頑張ろう、頑張ろう。
ばい。釣りそう。しんど。ささ。いいか。いいかです。やった。やっと着いた。さあ、ゲレンデ。ありがとう。あ、ですよね。はい、はい、ありがとうございます。おー、やばっ。きつすぎるでしょ。That's where we started. よいしょ。頑張ろう、頑張ろう。いいよ、いいよ。いただきます。いなりいただきます。10分ぐらい前も後ろも誰もいないんだから。やばい。写真大事。すごいね。
I get a call from pretty baby. Says I'm still what she sings. I watch the sunrise through a stairwell. Red giant made of steam. I get a call from my baby. Don't talk like you're
My legs hurt. Really. They gave up on me a long while ago. I still have like 20k to go. So it's gonna take probably more than 2 hours if I keep this pace. So yeah, I don't think I'll be able to finish by the sunset. Right now I don't have time, but it's almost 6 I think. So
watch the lovers all like squirrels, singing only alone. the beast that we wanted.
10K to
In
go.
a sun-soaked magazine. It's not I wanna let you go. It's I can't stand thinking you're all alone. Hold me and I'll hold the line. Baby, if you hold me and I'll hold the line. So when you say it, I mean it. Say it once and I'm yours.
Morning guys, so it's the next morning and my legs hurt so much. It's not swollen or anything, it's just I think muscle pain. But yeah, and I don't think I can, run or go to the gym at least for a week. You just need some recovery time. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get breakfast at the hotel soon, and we're going home. Yeah.
Shine on me. Let your grace and mercy follow. Give me strength for my tomorrow.